welcome back to On the Show Floor with Maddie Lambert. Today am Maddie Lambert, and today I am joined by Sibel Candemir of Aspire Bakeries. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Oh, thank you for inviting me. I'm thrilled to be here. This is my
too.
first show.
Mine as well, so what a perfect time to talk about this, because it's not overwhelming at all. No.
Not at all.
Very easy to navigate, especially between two massive halls.
Yes, it's enormous.
Well, before we dive in, I just wanted to give a big shout out to our sponsor, Reading Bakery Systems, the global leader in cookie, cracker, pretzel, and baked snack systems. And be sure to visit booths 3811 and 3801 to explore their cutting-edge ovens, flexible snack systems, and automated continuous mixing. Stop by and see why Reading Bakery is your partner for smarter snack solutions. Well, are you ready to jump right into it?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me about your overall IBIE experience so far.
Oh, well, it's been incredible. I mean, the energy here, this is my first show, as I mentioned, and the energy here is contagious. I mean, I'm just blown away by the passion and the expertise. Everybody knows each other, and they're so willing to share their expertise and learn from each other. It's been incredible so far.
Absolutely. I feel like this is Toys R Us for adults,
Yes.
you know? People are just walking around. I want to actually interrupt myself. Can you tell me a little bit about your specific position with Aspire?
Yes, I'm the VP of Marketing and Category Management for the La Brea Bakery brand and Aspire. Yeah.
And I mean, obviously you're enjoying it, and IBIE has been very,
Yes.
very helpful for you.
I'm new to the baking, industry. My previous experience has been in CPG, company. So this is new, and I'm really, really excited. I'm learning tons 1 year into the job.
Absolutely. So speaking of new, what's one thing that was new to you that you saw today that really stuck out to you?
Something new to me. Look, I'm really excited about the developments, like innovation that's around clean ingredients and nutrient-rich, rich ingredients. So flour mixes. So I'm really excited to learn more about it. As you mentioned, the show is enormous.
Oh, yeah.
I was able to tour the West Hall, and tomorrow is going to be the East Hall, and I look forward to learning more about that. But it's definitely aligned with consumer trends. People are increasingly looking for, feeling good about what they eat, and they're looking for clean ingredient statements. And there's a lot of innovation out there, and there's a lot of expertise, and it's a very collaborative spirit too, which I'm really excited about.
Absolutely. It's, to your point, this era of conscious consumption and better for you. What a perfect time to explore how you can integrate more healthier or better for you attributes into your production lines.
Yes.
So, similar question, but what has it been like navigating the show floor? How have you tracked where you need to go, who you need to see? What's that process been like?
Quite honestly, it's been pretty overwhelming, that being my first show. I've kind of quickly learned to pace myself and focus on, kind of things that are most relevant to our business. So, I've been getting good at it over the course of today, but I can tell you, my watch says 18,000 steps, and my feet are feeling it.
That is the question in my lightning round. How many steps do you think you've taken today?
Yes.
I looked at mine yesterday, and I was just like, how am I still standing?
Yes.
Like, it was crazy. There's so much to see, though. There's just like so many people here, great companies, and they're just showing us what they bring to the table. And it's like, as I'm also new to the industry, like this is my first foray into just commercial baking. So I honestly had no idea how much really went into the whole process. So It's just been like super enlightening. Are you seeing any innovations that could change the way you do business?
Any innovations that can change the way? Yes. I mean, one, I was very surprised to see the level of automation and precision, the innovation around it, doing artisan style or, really kind of handcrafted artisan style breads and baked goods at scale. It's getting better and better, and just being on the show floor and checking out the latest and greatest innovation around that is very promising. I'm really excited about that. The fact that you can make hearty artisan breads at scale to the level, the quality that our consumers would expect, from us. It's very encouraging.
What was your favorite part about today? And I want to say mine is the samples. I think I've had way too many samples. Probably it made up a whole meal. So
Yeah, no. As I mentioned, kind of the level of technology and innovation around making artisan breads at scale. I just saw a demo that made, hundreds of artisan style loaves very consistently, like perfectly shaped, very
Precise.
gently, gently made. So that level of innovation is very encouraging to be able to do that at scale, where hearty, good for you bread, artisan bread, is accessible to everybody.
It
to the
really
masses.
is, yeah,
Yes.
and that's kind of new. I mean, to the industry, because when you think artisan, my mind at least goes to more retail side, but that's not true anymore. Like, you can absolutely have artisan bread at scale.
Yes.
And I mean, if you want to learn more about it, what a perfect way to find out more than being right here.
Yes, and La Brea Bakery has been one of the pioneers.
We have to plug La Brea. We have to.
Everybody, people can get a hold of a great loaf of La Brea bread, bread from a grocery store. So that's really kind of a testament to artisan bread at scale.
It's just it's literal proof.
Yeah.
And when I think about the future of bread, I see so many innovations still to come our way. I want to jump to a lightning round, but before I do, I again want to thank our sponsor, Reading Bakery Systems. If you are looking for a smarter way to bake, why not hit up Reading Bakery? Come on, guys, what are you doing? Again, they're in booths 3811 and 3801, and they are the global leader in cookie, cracker, pretzel, and baked snack systems. Are you ready for lightning round?
Yes.
And don't be scared, because you don't have to answer like super quick.
Yeah.
How many, we talked about this, but how many steps do you think you walked today?
18,000 and counting.
Oh my
yes.
gosh.
As I mentioned, my feet can feel it. Yeah.
And for those who are listening, our feet are both swollen. So last time I checked, somehow I'm at more today than I was the whole day yesterday. But I'm going to blame my coworker Steve, because he just navigates the show floor like a little Pac-Man, just going everywhere. What is one thing you learned today that you did not know yesterday?
This is my first day at the show, and I really didn't know this was that massive, which is, goes to show there's just a lot of expertise, and combine that with the level of sort of collaborative spirit. I'm really excited. Like, I met a lot of people today who I didn't know yesterday, and I can certainly see building that kind of network, and I'm very excited about that. The people side of it is fascinating. This is a very large show, but the level of networks and people knowing each other, it's mind-blowing.
It's a big industry, but it's very connected.
Very tight.
It fascinates me that there's, look at how many people
are
are
big
here.
Family,
everyone knows each other. Like,
yes.
People are waving from 15 booths away, and it's just crazy.
And they're so welcoming. Again,
oh yeah,
I'm
absolutely.
new to this industry, and everybody's been very welcoming. Yeah.
It's such a warm industry too.
Yeah.
So, what's your favorite thing about Las Vegas?
Just the level of energy, it's just insane, and you can feel it here. You can feel that vibe, the energy, and just the kind of always on. I like that.
I do too. Yesterday I said I love how crazy it is, but yes, last night we went up to the rooftop of our hotel, and I just got to see the whole landscape, and I was like, okay, this is a really beautiful city.
Yes,
I can see why.
Yeah. And the lights, at night.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
All right, last question, and it is the easiest question, I promise. What's your favorite baked good?
Oh, that's La Brea Bakery sourdough bread, like hands down.
Why did I even ask? I don't know. Well, thank you so much for your time today. It was really, really wonderful talking to a fellow first-time attendee. Will you be back 2028?
Absolutely, and thank you for inviting me over.
Of course, absolutely.
It's great to be, I'm delighted to be part of this community.
Me too. I'm really glad I met you as well.
Thank you.
Well, thank you all for listening, and don't forget to visit Reading Bakery Systems to see the future of baking.